Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's warming up, let's talk about the crust. For this recipe, we're swapping out traditional flour for almond flour, which is high in protein and low in carbs. Mix 2 cups of almond flour with 1 egg and a pinch of salt to create your pizza dough. Next, roll out your dough on a pizza stone or a lined baking sheet. Make sure it's thin, as a thick crust could cause it to burn before the toppings are cooked. Once you've got your crust shaped, bake it for about 10 minutes or until it's golden brown. While your crust is baking, it's time to prepare your toppings. For the sauce, opt for a sugar-free tomato sauce. Spread it evenly over your baked crust. Now for the fun part, the toppings. Choose a variety of colorful, low-glycemic vegetables like bell peppers, spinach, and mushrooms. Add a sprinkle of cheese, but remember, moderation is key. Once you've dressed up your pizza, pop it back into the oven for another 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. So to recap, a diabetic-friendly pizza starts with a low-carb almond flour crust, uses a sugar-free tomato sauce, is topped with a rainbow of low-glycemic vegetables, and is finished off with a moderate sprinkle of cheese. This recipe is a testament to the fact that a health-conscious diet doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. So go ahead, indulge in your pizza cravings without the guilt or the worry about your blood sugar. Delicious, nutritious, and diabetic-friendly, this pizza truly has it all.